Voila! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. It's nice and beautiful. It's about 56 degrees. I have the generator running in the background. Got a little electricity going, and today's project is going to be putting in vents into our tiny shed cabin. We're going to install new vents in this area right here, a much larger vent, so that we can get rid of the heat. One of the problems we were having was the heat that got into the cabin during the summertime. This wasn't enough to have a flow of air go through, so it wasn't anything pulling air through from the front to the back or from the side. So we're going to go ahead and install the rear vent. We're going to install the front vent, and then we're going to do the vent on the soffits. Okay, that's also going to be a part of this. So, but right now we're going to take some measurements of this area right here, make sure that we have adequate space. Take our new vent up there to see, make sure that it's going to be in the right place, and then we're going to start cutting away. Okay. Now, taking the measurement up there on our vent, I have my saw, I have my drill, and I have the blades I need to cut it. We're going to go up and take this other vent out, make our first cut, and the rest is going to be history. So stay tuned. So here we go. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got my flex seal caulking. We're going to take it out, put the caulk around it, stick it back in the hole, screw it down, then I'll go on the inside. So we're going to put plenty on the outside to seal it, and then we're going to go on the inside and make sure it's sealed real good. Okay, so stick with me. And I think it turned out really well. Better than well. It was professional to me. Okay guys, now we're going to do the front. Now I'm going to go up and I am going to mark where I need to put the vent at. Take my measurements, draw my lines, and then we're going to get cutting, okay? So remember, this is phase one of many phases for adding ventilation to our attic, so that we can keep the hot air out in the summer and airflow and keep it from getting moist up there. We don't want that to happen, okay? Follow me up there. Okay, our blade is a little low, a little thin, so we're going to replace that with another blade. Give me just a minute. I'm going to use circular saws to cut our next hole because I didn't have enough blades for my grinder to do it. So we're going to use a 5-inch circular saw. Ooh. Now I'm going to get the multi-tool. Now that I got it started, the multi-tool will help me cut through all the weight. get back to the multi-tool. Okay, guys, I have our multi-purpose tool here. We're going to try to use it to finish out the holes in our vents here. So, wish me luck. Voila! It worked.
Well, you're gonna have to retrieve that one.
Voila!
You're gonna retrieve it.
Now, we have our hole. Oh my goodness. Almost perfect, guys. One minor adjustment. Almost perfect. Perfect fit. I'm taking plastic off. I'm gonna caulk it. We're gonna stick it up there. Okay, guys. I started with the circle. It saw 5-inch. Didn't work. So I went to my angle grinder. It normally worked pretty good. I ran out of blade on it. So, but it got me where I need to be to get the cleanup done. So my wife said, "Hey, don't forget you got a multi-purpose tool," and here she is. This works great, guys. I was able to trim it. I could get as close as 1/4 of an inch and not cut over. This did really great. Look at that fit. It's very tight, guys. We're gonna back it up with some screws. But we have the front ventilation vent in, we have the rear vent in, then we're gonna work on the sides. But this worked out really good. I'm really proud of how that turned out. Really proud of it.
Good job.
And I hope my wife is too. Y'all gotta talk to her about it now.
But you have to fix those scratches over
Oh,
there.
I know how to fix those. You watch me.
Okay.
All right.
Good job. Now we have vents at the front and at the back.
That's right.
Now we just need to do the soffit vents, and we're good. All right, caulk now. Caulking.
This is gonna fill the gaps. And then we'll paint over it.
All right.
It'll look really nice. It won't be much. There we go. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take my tap and we're gonna tap the holes so we can add screws to them.
Okay, drill a hole.
Now, with the same tool, we're gonna change it to a Phillips head screwdriver. This is a great tool, guys. You can cut through metal, I-beams, you can cut through all of that. You can tap them. And wood, as you just saw.
Another project completed at the ranch. I hope you all enjoyed this short video on the installation of our static gable vents. And if you'd like to see more contents like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us as we transition from city to country. By the way, we are converting this tiny shed into an off-grid cabin. So go and watch our previous videos and be on the lookout for the new ones. See you on the next one. And don't forget, Calicuts, go country.